Why do viruses change so often? Viruses have waged a terrible microscopic war against humanity for millennia, and the danger of viruses is still felt today. With COVID-19 currently affecting millions worldwide, viruses still threaten society. But why are viruses such as SARS-CoV-2 such a recurrent threat? After all, the early 2000s outbreak of SARS-CoV wasn't long ago, and flu seems to change every other day. Why do these viruses appear to be in such flux? It's because of how they replicate. As you may know, viruses aren't made up of cells like humans, animals, or plants. Instead, viruses are genetic information stored in a structure called a capsid, which can come in different shapes. Viruses are parasites to our cells and invade them in different ways. Once inside, the virus hijacks the cell and turns it into a virus-making factory to make lots of copies of themselves and then cause death or lysis of the cell. While we are comprised of DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, viruses like SARS-CoV-2, influenza, Ebola, and rabies have genomes that are made up of a different molecule, RNA. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is similar to DNA, but RNA generally appears in nature as single-stranded compared to the double-stranded helix of DNA. This makes the RNA genomes of these viruses less stable and more prone to rapid mutation. RNA viruses use an enzyme called RNA polymerase to make more of themselves. However, compared to its DNA counterpart, RNA polymerase is less efficient at preventing mutations in the genome. This is referred to as its proofreading ability. Just like a copy editor ensures work is good quality, DNA polymerase helps copy our genome and corrects any mistakes or mutations it finds. Viral RNA polymerase, however, is less efficient at this and allows more mutations to accumulate. Using the copy editor analogy, DNA polymerase is good at its job, whereas RNA polymerase would be given the sack. So RNA viruses have a high mutation rate and, coupled with their short generation times, can become highly diverse very quickly. This is what allows them to evade our immune system, as well as our vaccines. This is known as antigenic drift. The accumulation of mutations over time allows viruses to get around our immune defenses. Sounds bad, right? Well, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it gets a little worse. There's also antigenic shift, where if a person, animal, or cell is infected by two different strains of the same virus, they can swap parts of their genome amongst themselves. Antigenic shift occurred with the 2009 swine flu pandemic, when a triple reassortment of bird, swine, and human influenza combined with the Eurasian pig flu virus. All this together can lead to these RNA viruses becoming serious pathogens. Thanks for watching.